Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your shipping address for purchases. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're buying items off of eBay, but you want it to be delivered to a different address. How do you actually go ahead and change your shipping address for purchases? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first you're going to go into eBay. Then you're going to click on this My eBay tab on the upper right hand corner. Once you do that, you're going to reach this page here. You want to click on addresses. Once you click on addresses, there's going to be the different addresses that you can edit. So you can edit your shipping address, or you can edit your ship from address if you sell things. You can also edit your return address, but whichever one you click, it is going to ask you to relog back into eBay. But once you do that, you can simply just change your address. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your shipping address for purchases. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.